Africa, a land of vast horizons and endless possibilities, a continent teeming with life where every corner holds a new discovery. From the sprawling savannas to the dense rainforests, a symphony of nature unfolds in every direction. Among the diverse creatures that call this place home, a fascinating group takes to the skies as darkness descends: bats. Often misunderstood and feared, African bats are a vital part of the continent's intricate web of life. They play crucial roles in pollination, seed dispersal, and insect control. Their nocturnal world is full of mystery and wonder, a hidden realm that few get to witness. Join us as we venture into the African night to uncover the secrets of these extraordinary creatures. With the help of dedicated researchers, we will explore their habits, their habitats, and their incredible adaptations. As the sun sets, a world of shadows awakens, bringing with it a sense of anticipation and excitement. The African night comes alive with the flutter of countless wings, a spectacle that is both mesmerizing and awe-inspiring. These are not birds, but bats, emerging from their daytime roosts to begin their nightly rituals. Each species has its own unique behaviors and flight patterns. Their agility and aerial prowess are a marvel of evolution, a testament to nature's ingenuity. Watch as they navigate the night with precision, using echolocation to find their way and hunt for food. Through the eyes of researchers, we gain a deeper understanding of these incredible animals and their essential role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. So, as we look up at the night sky, let us appreciate the silent flutter of wings that keep the African night alive and thriving. From the deserts of Namibia to the Congo Basin's lush rainforests, African bats thrive in a variety of habitats. Each environment has shaped their evolution, leading to a remarkable diversity of species. Some bats prefer the dense foliage of forests, while others roost in caves, mines, or even human-made structures. The savannas of East Africa are home to bats that have adapted to open spaces. Their powerful wings allow them to cover vast distances in search of food. In contrast, the rainforests of Central Africa host species with shorter, broader wings, ideal for maneuvering through dense vegetation. Africa boasts an astounding array of bat species, each with unique physical characteristics and ecological roles. From the tiny bumblebee bat, weighing less than a dime, to the impressive flying foxes with wingspans exceeding 5 feet, the diversity is truly remarkable. Some bats possess striking facial features. The hammer-headed bat, for example, has an exceptionally large head and muzzle, used to amplify its calls. Others, like the horseshoe bats, possess intricate nose leaves, thought to focus their echolocation signals. The colors and patterns of their fur are just as varied, ranging from shades of brown and gray to vibrant oranges and yellows. Bats are the only mammals capable of true flight. Their wings, essentially modified hands, are marvels of engineering. Thin, flexible skin stretches between elongated fingers, allowing for incredible maneuverability and control. This allows them to navigate the darkness with astonishing precision. Their flight is further enhanced by their ability to change direction quickly and hover in mid-air. This agility is crucial for hunting insects on the wing or navigating through cluttered environments. Some species like the free-tailed bats are known for their incredible speed, reaching up to 100 miles per hour in short bursts. Section 5. Echoes in the darkness. Most African bat species are nocturnal, relying on echolocation to navigate and hunt in the absence of light. This remarkable sensory system allows them to see their surroundings by emitting high-pitched sounds and interpreting the echoes that bounce back. These sounds are often beyond the range of human hearing. The shape of a bat's ears and nose helps to funnel these sound waves, while their sensitive hearing allows them to detect even the faintest echoes. This system is so sophisticated that bats can differentiate between different insect species, even determining their size and direction of movement. Section 6. A vital role: the ecological importance of bats. Bats are essential contributors to the health and balance of Africa's diverse ecosystems. They play a crucial role in pollination, helping to fertilize many plants that other animals cannot reach. This process is vital for the reproduction of numerous plant species, which in turn supports a wide array of wildlife. Their ecological roles are as varied as the species themselves, and their importance cannot be overstated. From insect control to seed dispersal, bats perform functions that are indispensable to maintaining the health of their habitats. For instance, by consuming vast quantities of insects, They help to control pest populations, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. They are often referred to as keystone species, meaning their presence has a disproportionately large impact on their environment. This term highlights their critical role in maintaining the structure of ecological communities. Without them, many ecosystems would struggle to sustain themselves. Without bats, the delicate balance of many ecosystems would be disrupted. The absence of these nocturnal creatures would lead to an overabundance of insects, which could devastate crops and spread diseases. Additionally, the lack of pollination and seed dispersal would hinder plant growth, affecting the entire food web. Their disappearance would have cascading effects throughout the food chain, impacting countless other species, including humans. The loss of bats would not only affect wildlife but also human agriculture and health, demonstrating their far-reaching influence. Understanding and appreciating the ecological roles of bats is essential for their conservation and the well-being of our planet. By protecting bat populations, we ensure the continued health of ecosystems and the services they provide. Conservation efforts must focus on habitat preservation, reducing human-wildlife conflict, and raising awareness about the importance of these remarkable creatures. Section 7. The fruitful labor of bats. Many African bat species play a crucial role in seed dispersal. These fruit-eating bats, often referred to as flying gardeners, are essential for the regeneration of forests and the maintenance of plant diversity. They consume large quantities of fruit, scattering the indigestible seeds across vast distances. As they fly, they deposit these seeds in their droppings, effectively planting the next generation of trees and other plants. This natural seed dispersal process is vital for maintaining healthy ecosystems, especially in areas where human activity has fragmented forests. Bats help connect these fragmented habitats. Section 8. Bats as pollinators, keeping nature alive. While less celebrated than bees and butterflies, bats are important pollinators, particularly in tropical regions like Africa. They are attracted to the nectar of night-blooming flowers, which often have pale colors and strong scents. As they feed on nectar, pollen collects on their fur. This pollen is then transferred to other flowers, as the bats continue their nightly foraging, facilitating cross-pollination. This process is essential for the reproduction of countless plant species, many of which are economically important crops like bananas, mangoes, and agave. Section 9. Bats and disease control. Insectivorous bats are nature's pest control agents, consuming vast quantities of insects every night. Their appetite for insects helps to regulate insect populations, preventing outbreaks that could devastate crops and forests. This natural pest control service is of immense value to agriculture and forestry. Studies have shown that bats can significantly reduce the need for pesticides, which can have harmful effects on the environment and human health. By controlling insect populations, bats also help to limit the spread of insect-borne diseases, protecting both humans and livestock. Section 10. Myths, legends, and misunderstandings. Despite their ecological importance, bats are often misunderstood and feared. Myths and legends surrounding these creatures abound in many cultures, often portraying them as harbingers of misfortune or creatures of darkness. These negative perceptions can lead to persecution and habitat destruction. It is essential to dispel these myths and promote a greater understanding of bats and their vital role in our world. Education and awareness are crucial for fostering appreciation and ensuring their continued survival. Bats are not creatures to be feared, but rather fascinating and beneficial animals deserving of our respect and protection. Section 11. Guardians of the Night, Our Shared Future. As we have explored, African bats are a diverse and fascinating group of animals with unique adaptations and ecological importance. These creatures, often shrouded in mystery and myth, play crucial roles in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. From their remarkable flight capabilities to their vital roles as pollinators, seed dispersers, and insect control agents, bats contribute significantly to the health and sustainability of our environment. Their ability to navigate and hunt in the dark is a testament to their evolutionary success. Bats are essential to the health of our planet. They help control insect populations, reducing the need for chemical pesticides, and their pollination activities support the growth of many plants, including those that humans rely on for food and medicine. Their future is intertwined with our own. The survival of these nocturnal guardians is crucial for the continued health of our ecosystems. Without them, we would face significant ecological imbalances. It is our responsibility to protect these often misunderstood creatures and their habitats. Conservation efforts are vital to ensure that bats can continue to thrive and perform their essential ecological roles. By appreciating their ecological value, dispelling myths, and supporting conservation efforts, we can foster a greater understanding and respect for bats. Education and community involvement are key to changing perceptions and promoting conservation. We can ensure that these guardians of the night continue to grace our skies for generations to come. Their presence is a sign of a healthy, functioning ecosystem, and their protection is a testament to our commitment to biodiversity. The future of African bats, and indeed the health of our planet, depends on our understanding and action. By working together, we can create a world where both bats and humans thrive in harmony, ensuring a shared future that